Hi guys, in this video I am going to review Submagic AI. What you want to do is you want to go to submagic.co and click on the right top to log in, and then you'll be redirected to this page. From here you want to create an account or log in with your email and password. So once you signed in, it should look like this. I will show you what it can do. Submagic adds captions to your video, which is an amazing feature. You can make a project by clicking on create. Click and drag the video you want to upload. And then click on upload. So as you can see now, Submagic added the captions in the video, which makes it extremely easy to use. I will just show you what it just did.
I'll give you the first rule of entrepreneurship that I've learned, which is use what you have. And a lot more people have pain. A lot more people have anger. A lot more people have shame. And if you can use that as your gas in the beginning, you'll eventually get to a point where you can get out of that loop and then find something that you are really passionate about. But if you can't tie your shoes, you can't lift the weight, you can't send the DM, then you have to start with whatever you have.
So as you can see, without any effort, Submagic AI added all the caption and it looks great. Now let me show you what more it can do. As you can see here on the left, you see the text that he is saying, and you can alter the text if you want to. For example, if you want to change you'll to you will, you just click on the bar, type in you will, and it automatically changes it to the right words. Now what you can also do is you can add a sound to it by clicking on the emoji over here. Let's make here a ding sound. You want to click on ding, and it has added the ding for the sound. You can also add or delete a line if you want to. I have clicked on the plus and I have added a new line here. I don't want it for this video, so I click on delete again and I've deleted it again. And next, if you go to design over here, you can alter the way it looks. There are a few basic themes you can pick from. So there are 3 Hormozis themes. There is also one from David, from Devin, Mr. Beast, Ali and Iman. And as you can see, if I click on it, it automatically changes to it. If you go to the menu down below here, you can make it bigger or smaller. You can make it higher or lower. I would say something like this. And down below you can change the colors if you want to. So if you want to change the main color to red, the second color to green, and the third one to blue, it automatically changes everything, which is really cool. Now you can also make your own theme. You can, for example, select the 3rd Hormozi theme, click on custom, and here you can alter it the way you want to. You can change the font over here. Maybe you like this one. Here you can select the size again. If you want to be in uppercase or not, I would prefer yes, because it just looks better. And from here you can select if you want to add a shadow or not. So here is without the shadow, here is the large one. These are in between. Personally, I find this one very attractive because it just looks better. From here you can select if you want to have 2 lines at the same time, 1 line, or only 1 word at a time. I will pick the 2 lines because it just makes it read easier. Here you can select if you want an animation in it, animation for the emojis, or if you want an emoji, yes or no. For now, let's say we don't want any in it. And here again, you can position the text. Let's say somewhere around here so that people can see it. And again, change the colors. If you're done creating your theme, you can click on create theme, and you have created your own custom theme. But there is one more feature it has, and that is that AI generates description and hashtags, which is really cool. This is only for the pro version. The basic version doesn't have this, but I think it's really amazing because it makes it so much easier for you. Now once you're done editing, you can click on save to save your project, or you can click on export, so it will export it and you can put it on your socials. But let's just see the final results.
I'll give you the first rule of entrepreneurship that I've learned, which is use what you have. And a lot more people have pain. A lot more people have anger. A lot more people have shame. And if you can use that as your gas in the beginning, you'll eventually get to a point where you can get out of that loop and then find something that you are really passionate about. But if you can't tie your shoes, you can't lift the weight, you can't send the DM, then you have to start with whatever you have.
So there you have it. In just a matter of time, I've created the captions within my video. In my opinion, a really amazing tool. But if you look at the pricing of Submagic, you have this basic and a pro version. And here you can select if you want to pay monthly or yearly. If you select the yearly option, you save up to 20%. And I would recommend using the Pro version, and I'm gonna tell you why. The Pro version has unlimited videos. You can make unlimited videos per month, where the basic version only allows you to make up to 20 videos a month. As you can see, the upload is also twice as big with the Pro version as it is in the basic version. It has a way faster download speed, and you can make videos up to 3 minutes, or with the basic version you only have 1.5 minutes. And I just showed you the AI powered auto description with hashtags, and it is only in the Pro version. I think it's a really amazing tool to have an AI powered suggestion, so I would really recommend the Pro version for you. So if you choose monthly, you pay $20 for a basic version and $50 for the Pro, or you can select the yearly and you'll pay $16 a month for the basic and $40 a month for the Pro version. Now, is it worth your money? You have to ask yourself this question. Do I want to hire a video editor and pay a lot of money so he can do it for me? Or can I edit it myself and lose a lot of time I don't actually have? Or can I use Submagic so that Submagic does the work for me in a matter of time? In my opinion, I think Submagic is worth your money. It says what it does. It is really easy to use. Anyone can use this, and it gives you these amazing looking videos like Alex Hormozi or Iman Ghazi, for example. Now, if you want to try out Submagic, make sure to use the coupon code Barsoner10 during checkout for 10% off for lifetime. And I have added a link in the description to a video that shows you how to use the coupon code. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.